Okay, good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
So, how are you all?
Fine, sir.
Okay, nice to hear that. So, what is the date today?
Today is 3rd of July, sir.
Okay, 3rd of
July.
July. Very good. Oh, 21. Okay, subject economics. Okay, so main topic?
Food security in India.
Yes, food security in?
India.
Yes, in India. Okay. So, okay, what was the subtopic or okay story we discussed yesterday? Do you remember?
Story of Ramu.
Okay, story of very good. So today also, okay, well today also another story we'll see. Okay, story of okay, I will write afterwards. Okay, or okay, Ahmad. Okay, let me write. Okay, story of Ahmad. Okay. So before that, just to okay, whatever we discussed yesterday. Okay, the story of Ramu. Just okay, I would like to okay ask you some questions related to that. So okay. So how many members were in his family, in Ramu's family?
Maybe including the parents, there may be 8 members, 6 sons and daughters,
Yes, six. Okay, how six? Okay, six actually children. Okay, very good.
children.
Okay, so okay, let me read this. Okay, 8 members. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, 8 members. Okay, okay. Then where was Ramu? Okay, working.
He's working in the agricultural field, sir.
Yes, he was working in agriculture field. Okay, and was his okay job secure all the time?
No, sir.
Yes, there are no secure. Okay, job was not secured. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so did his wife work?
Yes, sir.
Where did she work?
In Sarpanch house,
Yes,
sir.
okay, Sarpanch. Okay,
Sapta.
yes, Satpal Singh. Okay, Satpal Singh. And how much did she get? What?
Half liter of milk.
Yes, fantastic. Then she got only half liter of okay milk. Okay. Okay, then how much did Somu, his son, was okay looking after the cattle? How much money did he get?
1,000.
Yes, fantastic. Okay, so you got only 1,000 rupees. Okay, for grazing cattle for whole year.
Whole
Okay,
year.
throughout the year. Okay, so what do you understand here, students? What do you understand by looking this? So actually, this okay. This story helps us. Okay, actually, he's from which area? Do you know? He's from rural area. Okay, the agriculture field. Okay, and we see
Yes,
he was
sir.
4 months. Okay, unemployed. Okay, he was
Yes,
4 months
sir.
unemployed, and that helps us to understand he was food insecure in those 4 months. Okay, he did not have
Yes,
enough
sir.
enough food. Okay, and then what we saw that sometimes his children has to go to bed without eating food because
yes.
of not sufficient food in his family because they did not have enough money. Okay,
Yes,
when they
sir.
did not have works, when they did not go for work. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
okay now let us okay try to okay I request you to switch on the projector so we'll deal okay another story, that is story of Ahmad. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, story of Ahmad. So today just recapitulate. Okay, so now I will okay see the story of actually Ahmad. Okay, very good. So you see here story of Ahmad. So actually he is from okay urban areas. Okay, so Ahmad is a rickshaw puller in Bangalore. So where is he? Where is he?
From Bangalore.
Yeah, so he is from Bangalore. Okay, and he is okay. He is a rickshaw puller. Okay,
Yes, sir.
he has shifted from Jhumri, Taila along with his 3 brothers, 2 sisters, and old parents. Okay, he stays in a actually Jhugi. Okay, stays in a Jhugi. Okay, actually he's okay working in actually urban areas. Okay, but he stays in a Jhugi. So we see here how many sisters? How many brothers did he get? We see here, okay, three brothers. So that means, including him, how many are there? Four. Okay, 4 plus 2 sisters. So here also we see 6. Okay, 6 children. Okay, and then what is there? Old two parents. Okay, so plus 2 altogether there are 8 members in the family.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they are 8 members in the family. Okay, so you see here, the survival of all members of his family depends on his daily earnings from pulling rickshaw. So here you see here, so his family is depending on whose income? His family is actually depending on whose income? Ahmad. Okay.
Ahmad.
So fully his family. Okay. Family depends on whom? Depends. Okay. Depends fully on.
Ahmad's income.
Yes. Ahmad's. Okay. Ahmad's wages. Okay. We can say. So his family. Okay. Fully depends on his earnings. Okay. Whatever he gets. Okay.
Yes,
He
sir.
goes every day. Okay. For rickshaw pulling, and he takes people. Okay. If suppose if he doesn't get many people, if people do not hire his rickshaw, what will happen?
He will have no money, sir.
Yes, no money. Okay, he will have no money. Okay, so however, he does not have a secured employment, and his earnings fluctuate every day. So this is what happens. See, as I told you. Okay, no secure job. Okay, his job is not secured. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not secured. Okay, job is not okay. His job is not secured. Okay, then what else? Fluctuate. His earning also fluctuate. That means he is not earning fixed amount in a day.
Yes, sir.
Fluctuates. Okay, fluctuates. So sometimes fluctuates. So here, how will you understand? Okay, here fluctuates means suppose in a day. Suppose if he gets 20 people today. Okay, if 20 people hire in a day. Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
ratio then, and if he gets for each hiring suppose 200 rupees. Okay, suppose people going little far. Okay, and if he
Yes,
gets
sir.
200 rupees from each we can say each person. Okay, it depends on also how many kilometers they're traveling. Okay, by a rickshaw. Okay, maybe 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. Suppose if he charges 200 rupees. Okay, for 2 kilometers. Okay, let us say the costly in cities. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
if he charges 200 rupees, and if 20 people hire his rickshaw, then how much money will he earn?
Yes, sir.
200 into 20, so 4,000. Na?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if 20 people hire. If 20 people hire. 20 into 200, so 4,000. Okay, that is in a day. Suppose it is that's we are imagining. Okay, to understand trying to understand what fluctuate means. Is earning. Okay, fluctuation means. So this is how it happens. So every day, do you think every day he will get 20 people?
No, sir.
Sometimes there are days he may not get even a single person to take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is what happens. You may not get any people. Sometimes he will be just sitting idle there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
with his rickshaw. Okay. So you see, during some days he gets enough earnings for him to save some amount after buying all his day-to-day necessities. So here, what do you understand by necessities?
Basic requirements, sir.
Yes, necessities. Okay. Necessities means basic requirements. Okay.
Yes,
Basic, okay, requirements. Okay, basic requirements. That will include what? Definitely that okay, rice. Okay, food that will definitely okay for like okay, dal. Okay, then rice, then vegetables. Okay, oil. Everything it will include. And if he is able to save okay that money, he will. What will he do? What do we see here? Earning for him to save some amount after buying so after buying all those necessary essential things, what does he do? He okay deposits or he keeps okay that amount for when it is okay required for future use. Okay, so that is the this one saving some amount after buying all his day to day necessities means. Okay,
yes, sir.
so okay, so on other days, he barely earns enough to buy his daily necessities. Okay, so I told you. Okay, so on other days, he barely earns enough to buy his daily necessities. That means he is not having enough money.
Money,
Enough money in
sir.
the sense people that day, but there are some days he is not getting a single people to be hired, okay?
Yes,
to be
sir.
hired is rickshaw, okay, for taking people here and there, okay? So if he doesn't earn, he is okay. That day he is actually jobless. That day, no?
Yes,
That day
sir.
he is jobless and he is not getting enough money. So he has to manage that day with who? With what? That saved money, okay?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, whatever money he has saved, he has to use that money on that day, okay? Because his life is based on his daily earnings, okay?
Yes,
If he
sir.
doesn't earn, they have to go what? Empty stomach, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. However, fortunately, Ahmad has a yellow card. So what happens? Okay, Ahmad has a yellow card, okay. Which PDS card for below poverty line. That actually yellow card actually that refers to below poverty line. So those who are having yellow card will they will get with necessary things with cheaper rate, okay, cheaper price. So you see with this card Ahmad gets sufficient quantity of wheat, rice, sugar and kerosene oil for his daily use, okay. So since he is okay, he is okay below poverty line, so he is given what? Yellow card. With the help of yellow card, he is able to get what? Wheat, rice, sugar, and kerosene oil for his daily use. Okay. Okay. So he gets these essentials at half of the market price. So what happens? Because of this facility, yellow card facility, he is able to get essential things at half price. Suppose okay, in the normal market it is 20 rupees, so he will get with 10 rupees.
10
okay.
rupees.
Okay. He purchases his monthly stock during a particular day when the ration shop is open for below poverty people. So everybody is not going to buy. There is a particular fixed day is fixed, okay, for them. So those who are having that yellow card, they will come that day and then collect their essential things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With the half price, okay. So this facility is given by whom?
Government.
Yes. In this way, Ahmad is able to, okay, actually, okay, eke out his survival with less than sufficient earnings for his big family, where he is the only earning member. So we see here, only he is the earning member in his family, and because of this yellow card, he is able to survive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can see your students here. So this is the okay rickshaw. Okay, rickshaw. Okay, this is the olden days. Okay.
Yes,
now I will
sir.
show you the modern how we have now modern days. So this is our modern. This is the new version one. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
again we have okay some other electronic okay rickshaw. So I have not put for you. Okay. So okay. So just to recapitulate, hope things are clear to dear students. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
how many members are in his family, in Ahmad's family?
Must be 5.
8 members.
Oh,
okay.
sorry, eight,
8
sir.
members. I have okay written here also. It okay. So his family members were dependent on whose earning?
Ahmad's earning, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Definitely. So, okay. So, was his job secure?
No, sir.
No. Very good. Fantastic. So, did he earn fixed amount of money?
No, sir.
Yes, very good. Did he save money?
Of course, he was saving money, sir.
Very good. So, sometime when he had enough earnings, he was actually saving. Okay. So, dear students, okay, you have understood well. So, enough for the day. So, before we end our class, okay, I would like to give you some home assignments. So, summarize the story of Ahmad in your own words. Okay.
Yes,
Summarize
sir.
the story of Ahmad in your own words. So, dear students, have a nice day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.